Now here is your lever. You simply press down to snap. Hi. Package to pick up. Do I log in to do that?
No, no. Oh, it's a big one.
That's a big one.
Signature.
RTC, of course. There you go. Have a great day. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got something massive in the back of my truck right now. A monster tile cutter. One of the biggest tile cutters on the planet. So let's show you what we're working with here. We're going to unbox this massive tile cutter. We're going to cut massive tiles with it. And we'll talk about that in just a moment, but let's take a look at this tile cutter, get it opened up, and show you what I'm talking about here. There we are. Look at the size of that box. Let's throw this on the dolly, throw it on the table, unbox it, and then we'll talk about what we're gonna cut with this massive monster of a tile cutter. Okay guys, before we open up and unbox this beast, this massive tile cutter, we're gonna quickly talk about the history of large format, where it started and where it is now. Here we go. Okay guys, let's talk about a brief history of large format tile. This tile here is called and considered builder's grade, your white ceramic. What we have here is a 3x12. White ceramic is a 3x3, a 4" by 4". A lot of showers were built with your white ceramic. Then we moved on to 12" by 12". Here's your 12" by 12" ceramic tile. Now, at some point in time, this was considered large format tile, okay? And they were like, well, it's nice, but we want bigger. So we moved from 12" by 12" to 18" by 18". Now here we have an 18" by 18" tile. Again, at one point in time, this was considered a huge, large format tile. But of course, everybody wants to go bigger. Then we moved on to 12" by 24" tiles. Here is your 2-foot tile, 12" by 24" tile. Now this is one of the most popular tiles on the market right now. But hey, 12" by 24", let's just go bigger. And we are. Here is a massive 18" by 36" tile. It's heavy. These are on the shelf at your big box store. So obviously, as we all know, tiles are just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now let's talk about tiles that are even longer than this, longer than 3 feet. This is a porcelain plank, extremely popular right now. They started out with this size here, a 6 by 24" tile, 2-foot tile. Let's go bigger than 2 feet. This right here is a 3-foot plank, 6 by 36. Again, 36 inches in length is not enough. We want to go bigger. So what do? We came out with a 4-foot plank. Here is your 4-foot plank, 8 inches by 48 inches. Now, there's a lot of ways to cut these kind of large tiles on a wet tile saw, of course, but if you want to speed up the process, you've got a lot of big flooring to do, whether it's residential or commercial, you'll need a big, large, massive tile cutter for this. Let's get right into it, unbox the massive monster RTC tile cutter, and show you how it cuts these. Here we go. Okay guys, the time is here. Let's open up this monster of a tile cutter. This is big. One very, very big tile cutter. Good Lord, have mercy. Wow. Wow. How heavy is it? I don't know. This thing's big, check it out. Oh man. see if I can show you guys really quick here. Oh, there we are, 51 inch. Massive, monster tile cutter by RTC. It's called the Razor, by the way. Let's get this out of the box, set it up on the table, and see how well it performs on our large format. 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot tiles, score and snap. Here we go. There we go, let's show you up close this beautiful machine.
Massive, I mean, look at that beautiful piece of machinery. Oh, that is a smooth railing system there. Springs in the trays to help the snapping process. Fantastic. Extension arms. Made in Italy. The Razor. Got wheels here for transportation. Now this is a unique tile cutter. It doesn't take a hit like traditional snap cutters. Instead it uses a cantilever system, meaning it's a squeeze, not a tap.
Let's install the fence. Here we go, guys. We will first start with a 12 by 24 hard porcelain, and then we'll move up from there and get to the 4 foot plank. Now it's got a mechanism here. You have to push this forward in order to drop the wheel. I'll show you up close right now. Now here is your lever. You simply press down to snap. To activate the wheel, you push this sleeve down, which drops the wheel to score. Let's score this 12 inch by 24 inch porcelain. Show you how well it cuts. That is one clean cut, guys. Would you look at that? As good as a wet saw. All right, let's move on up to some bigger tiles here. Moving up to the big boys. 18 inch by 36 inch. Huge porcelain tile. Here we go.
Well, there you go. Very clean as well, as you can see there. Let's go big. Let's move on to the 4 foot plank and see how narrow we can cut down the 4 foot plank.
Well, here it is, a massive 8 inch by 48 inch porcelain plank, a 4 foot tile. Let's see how well it cuts and how narrow and small I can cut this porcelain plank down to. Wow, one snap. Look at that. This is a very impressive manual tile cutter. Very impressive. Look how clean it cut a 4 foot plank. So now what we're gonna do is see how narrow it can cut down this piece here. All right, we're about at an inch. I'm not sure if we can go less than an inch, but let's give it a shot, guys. Here goes nothing. Yeah, just what I thought. It's very difficult for a manual tile cutter to get to a half of an inch, but nonetheless, very impressive 4-foot plank. Well, there you guys go. I'm absolutely impressed with this manual tile cutter. It is a beast. It cuts clean, it cuts accurate, it cuts straight. Very impressed with this cantilever system. Pull snap rather than tap snap. Nice smooth rail system. The wheel is amazing. It scores perfectly. The cuts are extremely clean, and this would help out massively if you were to install 4-foot tiles, planks, or large format. Absolutely recommended. As tiles are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, this is going to be a big hitter of a tile cutter for sure, without a doubt. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.